Web Squared, Web 2.0 5 years on. Tim O'Reilly and John Battelle believe that software as a service is less valuable than the network as a platform. The difference is that there is a sterility to using the internet as a software that simply provides a variety of services. If we just look at Google as a software that allows us to search things, it is slightly singular in its utility. But when we look at Google as a growing platform where each person's searches and popular search results count as votes that grow and change like an economy, then that service is actually providing and aiding other services through its data collection. First examples of this were seen through companies such as Google, Amazon, Wikipedia, and more. These were all platforms that were receiving and generating data about users. It is thanks to this data stream that these companies have done so well. Facebook is a prime example of the platform growing with its users. Each post, comment, like, and share on Facebook is a small step to rapid growth. Sharing allows something in the media to go from one person to a group of people, and so on. The likes serve to give value to a post, and comments start discussions between thousands of people from all around the world. This goes to show that each little aspect of these platforms has a consequential effect on the nature of the platform itself. The internet is introduced as a baby. This analogy is to demonstrate the idea of how it started off being very fragile and dependent, and now it is growing and developing a virtual awareness. The Google mobile app can detect you speaking to the phone. The microphone decodes what you're saying using speech recognition databases and algorithms, relates them to the frequent searches similar to yours in other databases. Combining this with GPS and triangulation, it can interpret what we're asking for and then give us the information we want. The internet, or the baby, is developing actual sensors which it can use to interpret our messages and give us additional information, sensors that we teach it. A lot of emphasis is placed on the fact that these computer systems do not learn in an explicit way. What is meant by learning is that it can be taught to make connections between sets of data that may appear unstructured to us. Therefore, the incorporation of sensors such as cameras, microphones, and more can definitely facilitate the process of the internet evolving. Another factor that contributes to the growth of the web is the concept of information shadows. This constitutes of data collected by applications about our activity on the internet. On Amazon, we leave an information shadow with items we buy. Amazon can learn and estimate what we are likely to want to buy next, and it will present these to the user. In conclusion, this reading has shown that through technological development and the new uses of the internet, we are slowly approaching an era where computer systems, applications, and the internet as a whole are becoming more and more autonomous. The more they are taught and the more connections they can make between sets of unstructured data, the more they will be able to do without human help.